with a price target of $10 and a price target of $4.50, a stock trading at only 60 cents a share, ticker symbol CYBN, is the stock that we are going to be talking about today. Now, I posted a video July 24th, 2023 on ticker symbol CYBN, penny stock set to explode, and it got 3,269 views. Well, let's take a look at exactly what would have happened if you invested off of that video. Now, again, I don't tell anyone to invest. I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But since that time being, where it's trading at right now, if you invested on the exact day I uploaded that video on July 24th, 2023, your position would be up 56.24%. Now, you could have sold for a total profit of about 85% at the peak, but you would still be up 56% on your position on this penny stock. So the first level I called out last video was 95 cents, and I still think this stock is coming up to that level, making higher highs and higher lows and digging itself out of this penny range, which will be huge for this ticker. But let's talk about it. Indicators on TradingView are suggesting a buy signal for this stock, as well as analysts rating it a strong buy, which is the top signal that they could possibly rate it. Now, the first catalyst that I want to cover is billionaire investor Steve Cohen's hedge fund Point72 Asset Management purchasing about 19 million shares of this biotech company. This just happened. I looked it up on the 13F to confirm, and you can see September 15th, they purchased 18.95 million shares of ticker symbol CYBN. This is how Point72 Asset Management portfolio has been growing over time, looking pretty decent, and these are their top 100 holdings in their heat map. You can see Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, and many other recognizable tickers, just like any other hedge fund. This one may know something that we don't about ticker symbol CYBN. Now, the recent catalyst, the acquisition of Small Pharma was just approved, which is huge for this company. The combined portfolio will include 28 granted patents and 158 pending patents, getting strong synergies by combining key assets, personnel, and capabilities. The new entity will have a comprehensive clinical program that includes testing the safety and effectiveness of intravenous DMT for major depression, collecting extensive data from initial trials of IV DMT, exploring easier and more comfortable ways for patients to receive these drugs as well. Overall, you can see the reason that I take this sponsor is this company is helping people. Institutions are adding to this company. Hedge funds are adding to this company. The chart is looking decent. It's rebounding. It's a penny stock that once wasn't a penny stock, and based on the $4.50 price target from where it's trading at right now, it has a 650% gain ahead of itself. And if it did go to that $10 price target, it would have about a 1700% gain ahead of itself from where it's trading at right now. Now, CYBN has been coming out with news left and right, and you want to see that with these penny stocks, because once the news starts dying down and they don't put out a news article or a catalyst for 3, 4, 5 months, that's when those companies get pushed into the floor because they're not making moves, but not with ticker symbol CYBN. The next catalyst that I will be paying attention to and looking forward to is November 13th. They are announcing their earnings. So 5 days after AMC announces their earnings, this stock is announcing their earnings. And based on their most previous earnings, I expect it to be a beat and a positive catalyst for this company. March 2023 and then June of 2023 were the last time they reported earnings. Since their last report, the stock has been scaling up. And if you take a look at the chart overall, from this bottom that we saw back here right around 22 cents, making higher highs and higher lows to where we're trading at right now, has accumulated the most volume that has ever been traded in this stock, showing that maybe this thing has bottomed out. A lot of buy volume coming in here while this thing turns around. The float is small, only at 200 million shares, and the market cap is at 145 million. This is CYBN's chart in the last 6 months, up 82%, looking solid, and all time is up 209%. You guys let me know in the comments down below if you missed that most recent train from the video I posted, and also let me know if you're jumping in now. Thank you, Sideways Frequency, for sponsoring today's video. I love you all. Lottery stocks out. Finally, guys, news just dropped as I was making this video. Ticker symbol CYBN is up over 11% in pre-market hours, so get ready for this thing to start moving. This comes after Cybin announces positive phase 2 interim data for CYB003 in major depressive disorder. Its proprietary deuterated psilocybin analog demonstrating a rapid, robust, and statistically significant reduction in symptoms of depression 3 weeks following a single 12 milligram dose compared to placebo. Now this news is huge for the company on top of the entire video that I just made for you guys. Let's see if it hits that price target we talked about, and shout out to Cybin for helping people.